guys! Today I am going to teach you how to make Korean pancake. First, we heat up our pan. We want to achieve a crispy Korean pancake, and that is why we need a generous amount of oil. Set in medium-high heat. Next step is to make our batter. Just add water in our glutinous rice and flour mixture. Now add the main ingredients. Let it cook for 5 minutes, then start adding your green onions. Leave for another 2 minutes. Now this is one of my favorite parts of cooking, the plating. This cutting board was made by my son Gillian. While we are waiting for our Korean pancake to set, we are going to make our dipping sauce. We will add our soy sauce. Next is white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar for a healthier option. Then raw sesame seeds. While this is completely optional, I am adding sugar to my dipping sauce because I want to make it taste sweet. Add chilies for those who like it spicy. Actually, I just realized that I cut it too soon. So if you are going to try this at home, let it set first for at least 3 minutes before cutting into squares. Hey guys, now we are ready to taste our Korean pancake. It's super easy, right?
And this one actually tastes like the authentic Korean pancake in Shinjuku. I feel like I cracked the code again. Yeah, I always say that phrase, crack the code. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It tastes like the Korean pancake that I tried in Shinjuku in one of those Korean restaurants there. This one tastes really good. It tastes really authentic, and I am so happy with the dipping sauce. I have added sugar. That's only because it's my personal choice. I like my dipping sauce sweet. So guys, I encourage you to try my Korean pancake recipe. It's very easy to make.
Color me true.